Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. We are going to learn mean and variance of probability mass function. Let us see the formulas. Mean E of x equal to summation x into f of x. E of x square equal to summation x square into f of x. Remember, for mass function we have to use summation formulas. And variance v of x equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. Let us see the problems. For the random variable capital X with the given probability mass function as below, find the mean and variance. Here f of x is given, that is equal to 1 by 10 when x is equal to 2, 5. 1 by 5 when x is equal to 0, 1, 3, 4. We have to form a table. So the probability mass function is, so the given question can be taken like this. Here x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F of x, for 0 the value is 1 by 5. And for this 1 the value is 1 by 5. For 2 we have to take this value. So when x is equal to 2 the value is 1 by 10. And then for x is equal to 3 the value is 1 by 5. For x is equal to 4 also the value is 1 by 5. And for x is equal to 5 we have to take this value 1 by 10. So this is probability mass function. We have to find mean and variance. So this is mass function, so we have to use summation formula. Mean E of x equal to summation x into f of x. That is equal to, see this first row is x, second row f of x. So just multiply and add. So see the process, 0 into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 1 by 5 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 5 plus 4 into 1 by 5 plus 5 into 1 by 10. Now taking 10 LCM, we get 23 divided by 10. And here first term 0 into anything 0. From all the remaining terms, taking 10 LCM. So if we have 5 in the denominator, then multiply 2 in the numerator. That is 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. So taking 10 LCM, we get 23 divided by 10, which is equal to 2.3. So the mean answer 2.3. Next we have to find variance. For that we have to find E of x square. After that only we can find variance. E of x square equal to summation x square f of x. X square into f of x. So take square of this first row and multiply with second row numbers, and also take summation. That is 0 square 0 into 1 by 5 plus 1 square 1 into 1 by 5 plus 2 square 4 into 1 by 10 plus 3 square 9 into 1 by 5 plus 4 square 16 into 1 by 5 plus 5 square 25 into 1 by 10. And one easy method, so we can take and write this step. Only thing is we have to square the first terms. Now taking 10 LCM, we get 81 divided by 10. that is equal to 8.1. Next we have to find variance. Variance formula v of x equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. Here e of x square is 8.1 minus e of x value 2.3 square, that is equal to 8.1 minus 2.3 square is 5.29. Subtracting this, we get the answer 2.81. Therefore, the variance is 2.81. Similarly, next problem. For the random variable capital X with the given probability mass function as below, find the mean and variance. So here also f of x is given 4 minus x divided by 6 for x is equal to 1, 2, 3. We have to form a table. The probability mass function is, so take a table like this. Here x value 1, 2, 3. F of x, just substitute the values and get the answer. When we put x is equal to 1, 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. When we put x is equal to 2, 4 minus 2, 2 divided by 6, that is 1 by 3. When we put x is equal to 3, 4 minus 3, 1 divided by 6, so 1 by 6. So this is probability mass function. We have to find mean and variance. So this is mass function. So we have to take summation formula. Mean E of x equal to summation x into f of x. Just multiply and add. 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 by 6. And here this 3 and 6 cancel, we get 1 by 2. And here one easy method is just adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, we get 1. 1 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. This is equal to 1.67. So therefore mean is 1.67. Next, for variance, we have to calculate E of x square. E of x square formula summation x square into f of x, that is equal to 1 square 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 square 4 into 1 by 3 plus 3 square 9 into 1 by 6. And here cancel 9 and 6, we get 3 by 2. Adding this 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So 2 plus 4 by 3, we get 10 by 3. This is equal to 3.33. Now variance formula, v of x equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. E of x square is 3.33 minus e of x value 1.67 square, that is equal to 3.33 minus, squaring this we get 2.78 and subtract this, finally we get the answer 0.55. This is variance. Next problem, suppose that f of x given below represents a probability mass function. Find the value of c and then mean and variance. So given this is a probability mass function, we have to find the value of c. We know that the total probability is always 1. So taking total, adding these values, we get equal to 1. that is c square plus 2c square plus 3c square plus 4c square plus c plus 2c equal to 1. c squared plus 2c square 3c square plus 3 6c square plus 4 10c square, c plus 2c 3c. This one take left side minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this by factor method. And note that we have a first number 10. So here the product is 10 into minus 1 minus 10 product. Sum 3. We get the numbers minus 2, 5. Divide by the first number 10. And cancelling this we get minus 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now we can take and write the factors. 5c minus 1 into 2c plus 1 equal to 0. From the first bracket we get c equal to 1 by 5. So that is the answer. We cannot take the second bracket because second bracket c value minus 1 by 2, which is not possible. C is included in the probability. So probability cannot be negative. Therefore we cannot take the negative values. Now we can write the probability mass function table. So the probability mass function is, substitute c equal to 1 by 5. So c square is 1 by 25. 2c squared means 2 by 25. 3c square 3 by 25. 4c square 4 by 25. And c value 1 by 5. 2c, that is 2 by 5. So now this is the probability mass function. For this we have to find mean and variance. Mean E of x equal to summation x into f of x. That is equal to 1 into 1 by 25 plus 2 into 2 by 25 plus 3 into 3 by 25 plus 4 into 4 by 25 plus 5 into 1 by 5 plus 6 into 2 by 5. Now taking 25 LCM, we get 115 divided by 25. This is equal to 4.6. Next we have to find E of x square. That is equal to summation x square f of x. So that is equal to 1 square 1 into 1 by 25. 2 square 4 into 2 by 25, 3 square 9 into 3 by 25, 4 square 16 into 4 by 25, 5 square 25 into 1 by 5, 6 square 36 into 2 by 5. For this the easy method is just we can repeat this step here. Only thing is we have to square the first terms. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. And here also taking 25 LCM, we get 585 divided by 25. And dividing this we get 23.4. Now variance V of x equal to E of x square minus E of x whole square. Substituting the values, E of x squared is 23.4 minus E of x value 4.6 square. So this is equal to 23.4 minus squaring this 21.16. Subtract this, we get 2.24. Therefore the variance is 2.24. Thanks for watching.